For each square, you need 4 of those safety pins. If you don't have any, I'll put a link in the description. Let's begin! Arrange your octagons like I show you and attach them with the safety pins. Here's the place for the square. And here's the square. So let's begin. First, the 4 chain stitches, followed by the 11 chain stitches. Before doing the back post treble crochet, insert your hook through the 6 chain loops from the octagons. Put your yarn on the hook and pull it through both of the loops and the loop on your hook to secure the octagons in place. Continue working as the pattern states. One more time. Here you can see the attaching one more time. Finish the square. Here's how it looks in the end.